Hey guys, this is Mehak. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you my step-by-step process to paint these beautiful lavenders with ink and watercolors. Whether you are an absolute beginner or want to enter the year with some soft guidance, this is a really perfect way to relax into your creativity and get productive. So let's dive right in. See, wasn't that fun and easy? I hope you're feeling a bit more calm and relaxed. You can paint so many botanical illustrations using this method. I have made 3 of these loose and lovely illustrations for you guys. If you liked this video, please do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to connect with me on Instagram, where I take you behind the scenes of my favorite watercolor techniques, tools and supplies. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.